Hello everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. In this video, we will be discussing about the digestion of food that is happening in the small intestine. The small intestine, it follows or it occurs a variety of the movements that is happening in the small intestine in the different layers of the small intestine actually helps in mixing of the food materials with the digestive juices that is present or secreted into the small intestine. So what are the different secretions in the small intestine? Those secretions are bile, pancreatic juices and also the intestinal juices. These are secreted in the small intestine. So the pancreatic juices, which is coming mostly from the hepatopancreatic duct, it contains various enzymes. What are those? Trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, procarboxypeptidase, amylase, lipase and also nucleases. Now the intestinal mucosa, it secretes an enzyme which is known as the enterokinase. Now this enterokinase enzyme, it has the capability to transform the proenzyme or inactive trypsinogen enzyme into an active trypsin enzyme. Now this trypsin enzyme, it has the capability to activate various other pancreatic enzymes. Now the bile which we are talking about coming from the hepatopancreatic duct, it has pigments. What are the pigments? Mostly bilirubin and biliverdin. So these are two pigments present in the bile. It also contains bile salts, it contains cholesterol and also phospholipids. Bile actually causes the emulsification of the fats and it also activates the lipase enzymes. The goblet cells which is present in the mucus, it secretes the mucus, which is present in the mucus layer. It actually secretes mucus and this mucus helps in lubricating the passage of the food. Now the intestinal juices, it is also known as the succus entericus. It contains mucus along with the brush border cells secretions. The succus entericus, it contains disaccharidases, dipeptidases, lipases, nucleosidases, etc. So these are the variety of the enzymes which are present in the succus entericus or the intestinal juices secretions. Also the mucus and the bicarbonates which are present in the intestinal mucosa, it actually helps in lubricating the passage and in addition to that also prevents the damage of the acidic food materials or acidic chyme which is coming from the stomach due to the presence of HCl in the gastric juices. It allows to the formation of a slightly alkaline environment and it protects the outer layer or the mucous layer of the stomach and the intestine. So in this video, we have talked about the digestion of the food that is taking place in the small intestine. I hope you have understood and liked this video. Thank you.